So when I chose IRR, I knew for sure I wanted to go to medical school and become a doctor. The process of choosing to come to Union was I just knew I didn't want to do the standard biology, nutrition, chemistry, all of those. I wanted something different that could be practical. I actually love working overseas, and I realized that IRR would be really good for me. I'd get that exposure, learn some hands-on skills, and also still be able to go to med school and accomplish my dreams. I felt like going through IRR helped to bring more to the table. That's something different. I knew that med schools do look for personality, something more than just studying to be a part of school. And I felt like IRR really did bring that to the table. So it was a good talking point. All my interviews, they're always like, what is IRR? So I would tell them, it's a hands-on program. We're able to do a lot of good things overseas. I told them about how we did EMT training. We learned swiftwater rescue, ropes rescue, all these different things. Formed a disaster response team as well, and just had a lot of good experiences on how to be better, teamwork experience. And just really prepared me for medical school and to be a doctor. Yeah.